Page 63. In a bike shop. Can Luca buy his dream bike? Read and find out. Luca: Mom, it's the Montana. It's my dream bike. Mom: it looks nice. Is it expensive? Luca: excuse me, please. How much is this bike? Man: it's 279 pounds. Luca: that's too expensive. How much is the 5-star? Man: it's 159 pounds. It's a special offer. Mom: that's okay. It looks nice too. Luca: yeah, and it's good value. Jack has the same bike. Can I buy it, Mom? Mom: it's your money. Luca: can I try it? Man: sure. Luca: wow, it's really great. I'll take it. Man: good. That's 159 pounds, please.